Welcome to the best picks. The best Gorilla Step Stool is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tools you can have around the house, whether you're tackling DIY projects, decorating, or simply reaching for items on high shelves. Its sturdy construction and innovative design make it a safe and efficient solution for various tasks, ensuring stability and ease of use for people of all heights and physical abilities, making those hard-to-reach places easily accessible and significantly improving your overall efficiency and safety. Number 5. HBTower 3-Step Ladder. This is the HBTower 3-Step Ladder, designed for safety and convenience. It's perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach places around your home or workplace. It's easy to open and fold, making it perfect for storage and transport. Its compact folded size saves valuable space. This folding step stool comes fully assembled and folds down to just 1.6 inches deep. Carry it easily for indoor or outdoor use. It features a high-grade steel frame for strength and reliability. A metal safety buckle automatically locks into place for secure use. Enjoy non-slip rubber hand grips for easy carrying and wide pedals with a non-slip pattern for secure footing. Large rubber feet protect your floors. We're here to help. Contact us anytime with any questions or concerns. Our friendly customer service team is available 24/7. What we like. It's sturdy and reliable, perfect if you need a taller step stool for those hard-to-reach places. The handrail adds extra safety and stability. If you prioritize safety and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. The steps are a nice size. Being a senior and a little wobbly myself, I feel totally safe using this step ladder. It folds up flat for easy storage and is a staple in my house. It's light enough, very sturdy, and looks a lot safer than my husband's from his bachelor days. Number 4. Delxo 2-Step Mini Stool. This lightweight and portable stool makes reaching high places a breeze. It's perfect for home use and folds away easily for storage. It's built with a durable metal frame, supporting up to 250 pounds. Non-slip steps and feet ensure your safety and protect your floors. A handy carry grip makes it easy to transport. It sets up and folds away in seconds. Ideal for kitchens, bedrooms, and more, this versatile stool helps you reach those hard-to-reach items with ease and stability. When folded, it's incredibly compact, measuring just 19 inches by 1.4 inches by 22 inches. Weighing only 6.8 pounds, it's easy to move and store. What we like. This compact design is perfect if you're looking for something easy to store and move around. It's lightweight yet sturdy enough for everyday use. If you need a simple, portable solution for small tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. Looks nice enough to leave out in the open. Rugged enough to use as needed without worry of damaging the stool. Works well. Looks like quality. Sturdy. Easily holds 300 pounds. This little step ladder is perfect for any room where you just need a little boost. I have one in my kitchen pantry, the laundry room, and in my closet. Very handy. Number 3. Rubbermaid Folding Step Stool. It's perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom. And when you're done, it folds up super thin for easy storage. At only 2.5 pounds, it's easy to move around your home. Take it to the office, bathroom, or garage, wherever you need it. The large platform has a textured grip for a secure and stable feel. You'll feel comfortable and confident standing on it. It can hold up to 300 pounds. Plus, the non-slip feet and platform keep you safe and steady. Rubbermaid is committed to quality. That's why it comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and folds up super thin for easy storage. Despite its size, it can hold a surprising amount of weight. If you value convenience and space-saving design, this is ideal for you. What people say. Lightweight, compact size, made of sturdy plastic. Good stable design, has rubber in the right places so it does not slide on floor. Folds up easily and compactly. When open it is sturdy, and the perfect height for a 3 or 4-year-old at the sink. Perfectly stable as well. Folded flat, it is just over an inch wide and about 17 inches tall, by 13. Its top is 9 times 12, at the base 10 by 13. Very sturdy, difficult for me to tip, and not slippery at all. Number 2. Rubbermaid 2-Step Ladder. It weighs only 5.25 pounds, yet it's incredibly sturdy. The platform latch ensures safety and it locks automatically for reliable support. This step stool has a handy built-in top. It's perfect for holding your tools and materials while you work. It's tested to meet US safety standards and OSHA requirements. With a 225 pounds capacity, you can trust it to support you. It folds compactly for easy storage and portability. It's ready to use right out of the box, no assembly needed. The rubber feet keep it stable and prevent damage to your floors. It's designed for both safety and convenience. What we like. The built-in project top is a game changer if you need a place to set down tools while working. It's lightweight and durable, making it perfect for various tasks. If you need a versatile and functional step stool, this is the one. What people say. This ladder has 3 steps, and the convenient plastic holder at the top is magnetic so that nails, etc. don't slip out. This step stool is well made and extremely sturdy. The top step is wide and gives me room to stand comfortably. There's also the little shelf at the top where I can put small items that I need when I'm up high, like the bulbs I'm changing or small tools and hardware. Ultra light in weight, sturdy, easy to fold, convenient tray for tools and parts. Number 1. ACKO Folding Step Stool. It folds to just 1.5 inches thin. This saves over 90% of your storage space and easily tucks away in a closet or corner. Made from high-strength ABS plastic with an inner honeycomb structure, it's incredibly strong and durable, holding up to 300 pounds. The improved folding bar prevents collapse, and the safety stop gap feature adds extra security. Rounded corners provide additional protection. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, classroom, or even outdoors. It's portable and versatile enough for any task. We stand behind our product's quality. Contact us if you have any issues, and we'll quickly resolve them. Always keep both feet centered on the stool for safe use. What we like. This heavy-duty stool is surprisingly compact when folded, making it perfect for small spaces. It's incredibly strong and can handle significant weight. If you need a robust and space-saving option, this is a great pick. What people say. It folds up and back out easily, plus it takes up much less space than that dang litter top. Crafted from durable materials, the ACKO stool boasts a robust design that can withstand the weight and usage demands of both adults and children. Its foldable nature makes it a space saver, easily tucked away when not in use, yet strong enough to provide that extra height when needed. The stool's practicality is matched by its safety features, including a textured surface with grip dots and anti-slip rubber feet, ensuring stability and security during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.